The 2020 Discovery Awards, finalists for Professional of Distinction, sponsored by Stuart McKelvey.
Our research of bipolar disorder is based on clinical observations, and we combine these with molecular genetic work to find which genetic variants influence the outcome of the illness and treatment response. I had the good fortune of working with some inspiring mentors such as Professor Paul Groff in Ottawa, and I also learned to appreciate the beauty and importance of mathematics from my father. The most important inspiration, though, comes from our patients that we see every day in our clinic.
My research focus is environmental contaminants. We are looking at how the contaminants spread in the environment, the impacts, and how to remediate them. The research team is working on how the contaminants move in the environment, the impacts, and how to treat the area to restore the environment back to a healthier state. My research inspires me because I feel like I'm doing something positive for the world, that I am able to work with people collaboratively to identify a problem, research why it's become a problem, how it's become a problem, and work together on a solution.
Our idiodynamic method is really a unique way of studying communication because it looks at real-time communication and how psychology impacts on what people say, how they say it, and how they interpret what they're doing. There are more people learning second languages around the world than speak English as a first language. When people learn English as a second language, they have to be willing to communicate. Nobody turns out engineers that are afraid to build buildings, but when people are afraid to communicate, then it can have major impact on language learning all around the world. Our idiodynamic approach to communication is really a unique way of studying how variables fit together because what we ask is people to communicate in real time, and we ask them later on what influenced their communication.